Mcom1 Production and Operation Management. Today we'll see nature and scope of production and operation management. First, conversion of raw material into finished good, that is, transformation of raw material, is the main task of production management. Second, production management is related to production of goods and operation management is concerned with offering services. Third, production and operation management follows sequence of activity for achieving some specific objectives. Fourth, production management is not a sole function but it performs other functions like research and development, finance, etc. Fifth, production and operation management has certain predetermined objectives. Sixth, production and operation management is a system, and this system works in coordination with other systems in the organization. Seventh, production is a process of adding to the value of outputs or the process of creating utility. During the process of converting raw materials into finished goods, various utility are created. Production activity creates time utility, possession utility, service utility, and knowledge utility. Production and operations management is concerned with the conversion of input into output using the physical resources so as to provide the desired utility to the customers while meeting the other objectives of the organization. The scope of production and operation management is vast. This function is distinct from other functions such as finance, marketing, personnel, etc. It begins with the selection of the location of the factory. Production management covers such activity as acquisition of land, construction of building, procuring and installing machinery, purchasing and storing raw materials, and converting them into sellable products. It also includes quality management, maintenance, production planning and control, methods of improvement, and work specification and other related areas. Thus, production management, which was formerly considered as manufacturing management only, now after inclusion of services into its scope, is broadly known as operation management.